Imagine you wake up and suddenly know everything. Sounds like the ultimate superpower, right? Well, hold on, because knowing everything would instantly turn your life into an absolute nightmare. First off, the physical cost. The human brain runs on about 20 watts of power, but storing infinite information, that requires infinite energy. The electrical impulses in your head would spike so high, your brain would generate extreme thermal heat and fry itself in less than a second. Even if your body somehow survived the heat, goodbye sanity. You would know every outcome of every decision before you even made it. Boredom would hit instantly. Movies? Ruined. Chess games? Solved. Spoilers? You are the spoiler. Conversation becomes meaningless. Every time someone starts talking, you already know their next 1,000 words, their deepest secrets, and the exact second they're going to die. You wouldn't feel human anymore. Omniscience sounds cool on paper, but mystery is what makes being human fun. So maybe it's better that we don't know what happens next. Stay curious.